Good day and welcome to another ROFFS weekly Gulf of Mexico ocean conditions update. The image you're looking at here is an ocean color chlorophyll image taken from this past weekend, Sunday, March 12th, 2023. As you can see, just to start in this image, these areas here where there's a little bit of green around the white, that is cloud cover. There is minimal cloud cover in this image. There's a little bit up here. There was a front approaching and it got cloudy into Monday afternoon. So we chose to use some imagery from Sunday to provide this update. Real quick, you can see the loop current down here. It's pretty far south to the southwest of Tampa. We still have a large clockwise rotating loop current eddy that's centered out here towards the Green Canyon area. This eddy has begun to drift slowly to the west southwest away from this area. It is allowing these other two eddies, one counterclockwise rotating centered south of the double nipple, and a larger clockwise rotating eddy here centered to the west southwest of DeSoto Canyon to bring some cleaner blue loop current water up in over the steppes regions up towards Lloyd's Ridge and over the southern DeSoto Canyon and towards the area southeast of the Mississippi River Delta. Of note here, if you look out here to the southeast of the Mississippi Canyon towards the dump site and all up the ledge here southeast of the Delta up towards the Riggs, the Ram Powell and the Petronius areas, there is a really nice color change, brown river delta water, green to cleaner blended blue water being circulated, pulled up from the loop current and circulated around this eddy, creating a nice temperature and color change here. Should be really good for wahoo, maybe some early season yellowfin, and maybe even some marlin in there. Over to the east, over towards the spur, DeSoto Canyon, the steppes regions, there is a lot of green water. There are some pockets of cleaner water in here. If you can't make it offshore, probably still some wahoo, some blackfin tuna, maybe some sailfish, kingfish, etc. Over towards the Florida middle grounds and to the southeast off the west coast of Florida, you will see there is an abundance of cleaner water. The loop current is far south, but due to these eddies off to the northwest here, there is a lot of cleaner blue water coming up in here and then making its way back down towards the Tortugas and the Florida Keys off to the southeast. Cleaner blue-green, the blended blue water looks like all the way inshore to almost 10-12 fathoms, and there are some good edges for tuna, wahoo, dolphin, kingfish, even marlin and swordfish as you get out towards 50 to 100 fathoms off the west coast of Florida. To the west, west of the loop current eddy, which, like I said earlier, is now moving to the west southwest. You have a large sort of counterclockwise circulation, which is pulling the water from the area off of Texas offshore, circulating it, blending it around this eddy up over towards the Flower Gardens area and the dump site here. There is some cleaner water in probably 30 fathoms. And overall the rigs in this area towards the Flower Gardens, towards the dump site, this eddy is pulling cleaner water in over those areas as well. Off of Aransas, you'll see there is a counterclockwise eddy in here, along with another counterclockwise eddy off to the southeast, along with yet a third eddy clockwise rotating that's far to the south of the Texas-Mexico border. And these eddies working together are pulling some of this nice blue water up off of Mexico, up in here off of probably 500 fathoms and deeper off of the Colt 45, Aransas Bank, Hospital Rock, those areas. There is a pocket of cleaner water being pulled inshore by this counterclockwise eddy here to the south of the East Breaks and in towards the area off of Aransas. But overall, there's a lot of blue water out there. There are some good fishing conditions. Um, just to recap, there is a really nice edge off to the south and southeast and east of the Mississippi River Delta. That's a really nice edge. Color change, temperature break. Get out there fishing. Everything looks good. In the weeks to come, we will start with our seasonal spring forecasts. We'll probably hit the southeastern U.S. and then the Gulf of Mexico, followed by the northeastern U.S. I actually probably start with the Bahamas first, followed by the south, and then the Gulf, and then the north into April. Other than that, our seasonal discounts are in effect until April 1st for all your plans. There's an additional discount on our already discounted rates. So please get your orders in early. You can email fishing@roffs.com. Go on our website, www.roffs.com to order, or call the office at 321-723-5759. That's it for this week. We'll come at you again probably in 2 weeks, and after that, going into April, we'll probably go back to doing this on a weekly basis again, so you can see how the conditions are changing going into the tournament season towards Memorial Day and into the summer. Stay safe, tight lines, and give ROFFS a call if you have any questions or you want to order. Thank you.